Ka Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Meghalaya ringkat ke Jingyas Nok Tilang bat ke District Early Intervention Center RBSK bat ke Ganesh Das Government Hospital, Shillong mendagas ngi kila penlong ya ke program Jingpynsaphriang Jingtip Halor ke Jingpang Down Syndrome ha DEIC Building Ganesh Das Government Hospital Shillong. Habakren bat kinong patay kubor i Dr. H. Giri i badai i dikot jong ke Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Meghalaya ilo ong ba ke Indian Academy of Pediatrics kalapan kre ya ke program kerpang nakabenta ki kena ki badan ya ke Jingpang Down Syndrome bat ki bala dep ru ban pelat ya ke program bathamai nakabenta usnem arhajar arpusau arpusan. Kenang bakin Jingpynsaphriang ya ke Jingtip ke batikna bat ke bashisha syaka imlang salang. Ilo ong ru bagi Jingpang kum ke Down Syndrome, ke Jingduna Snam, ke Jingduna haka bor perkat, bat kiwei ki dei ki Jingpang ki balak ban lap nado bagi dang kelung, bat on la ban ai jingkershan yaki, ban yo ya ke Jingim ke babiang.
One of the action plan of our president of 2024 and 2025, they have launched this program of IAP ki baat community ke saath. Okay, so that we can spread the message to all the community, so that we can give very authentic, relevant and reliable information to the community at large on diseases like especially Down syndrome, thalassemia, autism, anemia and obesity, because these are the diseases which can, if we detect right from birth or right from the beginning, we can give them lots of support and they can live a very good life.
Ka Senra Jowai